Hi, Chris here. I want to introduce you to another way of graphing. So I'm going to show you some graphing down here. We're going to use Google Docs or Google Sheets to graph. I think it's really important to work through that, and I want you to do that. It's going to be important in future assignments, but I also want to show you something called Desmos. Gives you a really quick and easy graph as well. So Desmos, I'm going to bring in over here. If you go to desmos.com, it gives you a few different options. We're going to use a scientific calculator later on too, but we're going to just go ahead and say start graphing. And in the graphing on this one, we're looking at three different equations, right? Y equals 2x. Let's go up a little bit on this one. Y equals 2 to the x. So I'm just going to type right in here, y equals 2. To get that power, I'm going to use Shift 6, get that little hat symbol, the little upward hat on top of the 6. So Shift 6, x. And there's my graph of y equals 2 to the x. If I hit enter, I get another chance. I can do another graph. Y equals, what was the other one? X squared, x little hat, so Shift 6 to get that little crocodile upward symbol, 2, and if I wanted the other one, it was y equals x. Boom. So it graphs really fast for me, and I can see in my graph here, I can even zoom in on my graph. So this one, the y equals 2 to the x, if I zoom in far enough there, I can see that it goes through the point 0, 1 when x is 0, y is 1, and I can also easily see the places where these graphs cross as well, which is really interesting. Okay. So from there, if I wanted to sign in, I can sign in with my Google account and then all my graphs get saved. That's kind of nice too. So if I sign in, it'll ask me to sign in with Google. Because I'm already attached to my Google account, it just goes ahead and reminds me who I am. I can save that graph if I want to. So it's a really quick and easy way to see what the shape of a graph is going to be. I can even share the graph right from there. So I can share the graph if I click on Share Graph. It gives me some options. Here's a link to the graph, so I can copy that link code and paste it into an assignment to say here's a copy of my graph. I can print the graph. I can export an image of it if I want to, so I can download an image of it and paste it inside something or attach it to an assignment. So it's a really quick and easy way of showing the graph. Over the best one, if you notice, the image doesn't give you the equations as well, so the best one is to just share that link, and then you actually get the color-coded images where the red line must be the exponential, the blue line is the parabola, and the green line is the linear. So that's a great way to do some graphing.